Top 5 Best Propane Heater for Garage. Number 5. DynaGlow KFA50DGD. Additional features: overheat shutoff protection, flame-out sensor, built-in carrying handle, run-time fuel gauge, cleaner burns, long-lasting and optimal performance. This forced air heater is a portable and powerful design with a long hose for convenient connection with the gas cylinder. It circulates hot air around the surroundings and does not heat objects directly like infrared garage heater. Also comes with a tip-over shutoff and a switch for monitoring pressure, which makes it perfect for indoor and outdoor use. It efficiently heats up to 1200 square feet space at a high output with a 20 lb propane tank lasting up to 14 hours and comes with a single trim, which makes it more powerful and ideal for larger sites, industrial workspaces, and agricultural buildings. DynaGlow has maintained a high focus on safety, speed, and ease of use. It is so efficient that it can heat up to 2 garages at a time. In just 10 minutes, the heater can heat any space. You can adjust the heat levels to a minimum, high or low. It is a reliable and convenient solution for your garage. What we like: ideal for indoor and outdoor use, suitable for commercial and industrial applications, portable heating device, needs no assembly, digital resources, easy and quick to use, maintenance is done quicker, motor and combustion chamber are easy to replace for maintenance. What we don't: it heats up fast but may generate some fumes as well. Coming in number 4. Mr. Heater Corporation Vent-Free Flame Propane Heater. Blue flame burner, quiet inbuilt blower, equipped with a thermostat, automatic low oxygen shut-off system, blower fan kit, battery-powered ignition. Based on the blue flame burner technology, this propane garage heater is a vent-free design ideal to supplement heating solution even when it is extremely cold. It is incorporated with a thermostat offering superior control over the temperature in the space. The battery-powered electronic ignition ensures you gain even heat distribution. You can permanently mount it on the wall or securely fasten it to the floor with the use of fasteners and brackets, which come with it. This clean tube burner utilizes natural convection for circulating warm air comfortably. It comes with a factory standard oxygen depletion sensor, ensuring you have a comfortable and safe heating process. It offers a BTU range of up to 20,000 and is designed with a fan that can be set for automatic operation. The thermostatic control lets you maintain the temperature at a specific level without having to be turned off and on manually. What we like: battery-powered ignition, high BTU range ideal for a big garage, can be wall-mounted or fastened to the floor, fan switch for circulating heat, generates a convection effect to heat the surrounding area, inbuilt thermostat, OD safety cutoff, adjustable heat levels. What we don't: you have to bear the additional cost of buying AA batteries. Coming in number 3. DynaGlow Portable Propane Heater. Overheat auto shut-off protection, easy lift carry handle, 10-foot hose and regulator, adjustable angle for heat distribution, CSA certified. This propane garage heater by DynaGlow is an efficiently designed product featuring forced air functionality. Offering a high BTU level of up to 300,000, it heats space up to 7,000 square feet. With such extended coverage, the heater is ideal for both outdoor and indoor use. The efficient mechanism ensures complete efficiency in industrial workspaces, construction spots, agricultural buildings, and other bigger spaces. The heater is integrated with a 100 pounds propane tank. It comes with an easy-to-carry handle. The presence of electronic ignition features convenient installation and an efficient startup. Also, it comes with a temperature control mechanism and adjustable heat angles, ensuring absolute convenience. Keeping safety into prime consideration and presence of rich features like automatic shut-off ensures you never experience the problem of overheating. What we like: excellent BTU level of 300,000. Perfect for outdoor and indoor use. Portable design with easy-to-carry handle. Great coverage up to 7,000 square feet. Variable heat control levels. Even distribution with adjustable heat angle. What we don't: Heavyweight design is only cons for now. Coming in number 2. DuraHeat Double T360 Propane. Additional features: infrared heat technology, 360-degree instant radiant, CSA approved mercury-free tip, tank connection, stainless steel heat reflector, match light ignition. This is a lightweight and compact propane garage heater. Comes with a metal rim attached to the top of the tank. It is easy to use, a heater with clamp secured with a rim. It does not come with electronic ignition. Hence, you have to use the naked flame from the lighter or match. It serves propane tanks of varying sizes ranging from 20 pounds up to bigger tanks of 100 pounds. Along with the average runtime of 100 pounds with a 20 pounds tank, it delivers a BTU range of up to 40,000. The heater can heat the area up to 1,000 square feet. Its well-engineered design radiates heat to 360-degree angle around the entire circumference to generate heat evenly across the garage. The 3 different settings let you control the heat level to low, medium, and high temperatures. To maintain safety, there is a safety switch available that ensures the heater does not operate continuously and leads to potentially burning or anything combustible. What we like: portable and small design, mercury-free tip-over shut-off, quick connecting POL tank, the high-efficient heat reflector, accidental shut-off, rust resistance chrome emitter, versatile tank top heater, low-cost solution, requires no electricity. What we don't: it is meant for outdoor use only. Coming in number 1. Mr. Heater F274,800 mH18B. Additional features: single control start knob, swivel regulators, connects to 2 1-pound cylinders, and the fan operates on 4D batteries or AC adapter. Engineered to deliver unmatched efficiency and absolute safety, the Mr. Heater F274,830 is one of the finest propane garage heaters. It is an excellent example of high-quality component construction and longer runtime. It is integrated with a high-powered fan, enhancing the heat capacity to a great extent. The combination of convection and radiant heat mechanisms render better and even heat distribution within the space. The presence of 2 swivel regulators broadens the supply of propane from the disposable cylinders to the remote gas supply. The presence of safety control knobs maintains steady temperatures and lets you manage the temperature at low, medium, and high levels. This propane garage heater is equipped with advanced safety standards. With its accidental tip-over automatic shut-off and oxygen depletion sensor, you can gain great performance and 100% efficiency. High efficiency with complete safety and affordability makes it worth buying. What we like: ideal for outdoor and indoor use. 100% efficient. Different heat level controls for low, medium, and high temperatures. Easily connects to a propane tank. Connects to 2 1-pound cylinders. Accidental tip-over safety shut-off. Automatic low oxygen shut-off systems. OD safety mechanism. Compact and portable. What we don't: the heater may shut off above 7,000 feet sea level. Auto shut-off tips over if the pilot light goes out.